Hello and welcome to Hindi Pathshala Online. Today our topic is from Rajbhasha Paper 2, Bhin Bhin Arth. It is going to come in Paper 2 for 6 marks question. So let us start this topic, students.
The first word we have bhin bhin arth wale shabd means one word with more than 2-3 meanings. Okay, more than one meaning. Okay, the first word we have is par. Par have 3 meanings here: on, feather, but. On, feather, but. So both the 3 meanings means in Hindi means par. So the first word we have is first sentence we have is Zameen par mez hai means Zameen means floor, par is on, mez is table. Table is on the floor. So the first meaning here, the meaning of par is on. The second meaning for par is feathers. So let's see the sentence. चिड़िया के दो पर होते हैं. Par here is feathers. Birds have two feathers. Okay, the third sentence is उसको भूख है पर नहीं खाता. So उसको भूख है, he is hungry, भूख means hungry, but he does not eat. But does not eat. So say the third meaning is but. So the three meanings of पर, जमीन पर मेज है, चिड़िया के दो पर होते हैं, उसको भूख है पर नहीं खाता. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Next word, children. Next word is sona. Sona has two meanings again: gold and sleep. Gold and sleep. The first sentence we have is Sona bahut कीमती hai. So gold is expensive. Sona here is gold. कीमती is expensive. Gold is expensive. दिन में सोना बुरा है. Here second meaning for sona is sleep. So sleeping in day is bad. Din is day. Bura is bad. Sleeping in day is bad. So here the okay, third word we have is tir. Tir again has two meanings. Children, let's see. Two meanings for tir we have bank and arrow. Bank means the bank of the river. नदी के तीर पर एक सुंदर मंदिर है. So on the bank of river is beautiful temple. So here the first tir means on the bank. On the bank of river is beautiful temple. Second meaning is arrow. अर्जुन तीर चलाने में निपुण है. तीर चलाने में निपुण है. So Arjun is qualified to use arrow. Nipun means qualified. Arjun is the name of the person. So Arjun is qualified to use arrow. So here tir meaning achieved, tir meaning back, tir meaning arrow. Okay. Now fourth word, let's see children. Fourth word is kal. Kal here means yesterday, tomorrow, machine. The first sentence we have is kal ravivar tha. So kal ravivar tha means yesterday was Sunday. Second sentence we have is कल मैं स्कूल जाऊंगी. I will go to school tomorrow. Now here we can see that kal both same in Hindi, but in English we have yesterday and tomorrow. So how we can find out whether it's yesterday or whether it's tomorrow? We have to see the rest of the sentence. So if we see kal ravivar tha is the word that comes the past tense. So that means yesterday. So this we are talking about yesterday. And kal मैं school जाऊंगी means it is coming in future. So means it will be tomorrow. So this kal here means tomorrow and the first kal here means yesterday. Okay. The third sentence is कारखाने में कई कल देख सकते हैं. So here kal means machine, कारखाना is factory. देख सकते हैं we see. We see many machines in the factory. So here the third meaning of machine is fulfilled here. So I hope this is clear, children. Let's go to the next word now. Or means and or means one more. So or here is having two meanings, and one more. So let's see the sentences. First one is मेज पर किताब और कलम है. So मेज पर किताब और कलम है. Book and pen is on the table. So book, kitab, kalam, pen is on the table. Okay. So first meaning achieved. Second is और एक कलम दीजिए. और एक कलम दीजिए means give me one more pen. Give me one more pen. Okay. So here both the meaning is achieved. Achieved. That's कोई. कोई का meaning someone. कोई means someone. कोई means some. So let's see the example. Now यहाँ कोई आता है. यहाँ कोई आता है means someone comes here. यहाँ कोई आता है someone comes here. Second is तुम हमेशा कोई काम करते हो. You always do some work. You always do some work. Okay, this meaning understood. Now next word is jal. Jal means water, burn. कमल का फूल जल में है. Now first meaning is jal. Kamal ka fool means lotus flower is in the water. The first meaning water fulfilled. Second is वहां पेड़ जल रहा है. Jal, now here jal meaning is burning. Their tree is burning. वहां पेड़ जल रहा है means their tree is burning. Okay, next word kar. Kar is meaning having three meaning: do, tax and hand. Do, tax and hand. First meaning do. सरला काम करती है. सरला काम करती है. सरला is doing some work. So सरला does work. Second is हम सरकार को कर देते हैं. So second meaning is tax. हम सरकार को कर देते हैं. We give tax to government. We give tax to government. So second meaning also fulfilled. Third meaning है hands. Third meaning is hand. हम कर से काम करते हैं. We work with our hands. काम means work. We work with our hands. So third meaning also fulfilled. I hope हिंदी पढ़िए. आप हिंदी पढ़िए. You study Hindi. If you want to give respect to someone, you will say आप हिंदी पढ़िए. तुम अपना काम आप करो. You should do your own work. तुम अपना काम आप करो. You should do your own work. It's do your own work. अपना काम आप करो. So I hope children it is clear till here. 10th one is घटना. घटना का मतलब होता है, the meaning of घटना is incident or decrease. यह घटना कब घटी? This incident, when this incident happened. Okay, घटी means happened. When this incident happened. Second meaning is decrease. चीजों के मूल्य को घटना और बढ़ना स्वाभाविक है. चीजों means things. The prices of things decrease and increase generally. Mulya means the price, the cost. Chizo means things. So the prices of things decrease and increase generally. So generally they decrease and increase. That is only we are achieving the meaning of ghatna here. Okay, the 11th word we have is aam. Aam means common, mango. Now common means यह उपवन आम जनता के लिए है. तो यह उपवन means this garden is for common people. आम जनता means common people. Second is Ram आम खाता है. Ram eats mango. So second meaning mango is done here. मगर का मतलब क्या होता है? मगर means but and मगर means crocodile. Two meanings we are having here. So let's see the first meaning. वह खूब खेलता है मगर पढ़ता नहीं. वह खूब खेलता है means he plays too much. He plays too much but do not study. But do not study. Okay. Second is crocodile. तालाब में बहुत से मगर हैं. Too many crocodiles in the lake. So there are too many crocodiles in the lake. This is clear. Now next word is do. Do again. Do is having two meanings. To and give. TW, to and give. So let's see the first meaning. मैदान में दो लड़के हैं. Two boys in the ground. Two boys are in the ground. Okay, so दो लड़के here means two. The two boys are in the ground. Then मुझे कलम दो. Give me pen. यहाँ this दो means give. So give me pen. Now next word we have is diya. Diya means lamp. Diya means gave. Now सीता दिया जलाती है. सीता lights the lamp. सीता दिया जलाती है. जलाती है means lights the lamp. Now रमेश ने गोपाल को 1 रुपया दिया. Ramesh gave 1 rupee to Gopal. So second diya meaning gave. So Ramesh gave 1 rupee to Gopal. Now next we have is ki. Ki with a badi ki matra. Now ki with the badi ki matra means off and done. Off and done. So let's see the first sentence. Ram ki patni Sita hai. Ram ki patni Sita hai. So it is showing a relationship. Sita is wife of Ram. Sita is wife of Ram. Now done. उसने यह सेवा की. Means he has done this service. उसने यह सेवा की. He has done this service. Is seva. Okay, next sentence is phal. Phal, fruit. One meaning fruit, other meaning result. So aam meetha phal hai. Simple sentence is aam is a sweet fruit. Mango is a sweet fruit. Okay. Next meaning is result. हर काम का फल मिलता है. So every फल means here result. So every work brings a result. So every work brings a result.
Okay, that's all for today's class, children. The remaining words we'll do in the next video of Bhin Bhin Earth. So do not forget to watch the second part of this video. Thank you for watching this lesson, and I hope you understood this topic very clearly. If you found this topic helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more learning videos. And do not forget to watch the next video. Thank you. Bye.